Hello guys, today I am going to be unboxing and doing whatever assemblies necessary to set up my Accu-cut and Rip Cut combo kit. Alright, and I'm just going to open up the box. Alright guys, so we have it opened up. There's a token about registering your product. Talks about the Build Something website and everything else. We have a manual for the Rip Cut and a manual for the Accu-cut. And here we have a few different components for the two different items. We're just going to take those out. We have some small screws here. And of course we have our rails. This is the Accu-cut rail, that's the Rip Cut rail. Right, I'm now going to move the box out of the box. Just grabbing those. First, we're going to set up the Accu-cut. Oh, there are actually two tracks here. That was my bad. That didn't work. Just slide the connector pins in. And then you're going to take these pieces, once you have that all lined up nice and perfect, or as good as you can get it. Alright, so we just need a small screwdriver. Alright guys, we have finished putting the screws in. Now we're going to continue. You flip this over. And you're going to put this in. Alright guys, so the Accu-cut is all done. Now we're going to put together the Rip Cut. So what they do here is they actually put the screws that are necessary in here. Let's try to remove that tape. I'm going to take these two screws. Just going to use that real quick. We're actually going to put them into here. So two pieces click in, the other two, and put a screw. Alright guys, so because we're doing a combo kit, that piece that's over there on the Accu-cut is actually the same piece that goes on here for the saw. So you can just use it for either or. The track for this one is actually set up. And we're done. Have a nice day.
Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.